Hello viewers, welcome to Airfree Creation. Hope you are well in this pandemic situation. Today we will create this certificate template in Microsoft Word document. So before starting this tutorial, if you are new in my channel, please do subscribe to get new updates. And if you want to buy this template, then I will add the template links on the video description. Okay, now let's start. So firstly, open a new Microsoft Word document, then go to layout menu, then change the orientation to landscape. Okay, now we will create a shape, a circle shape. So go to insert menu, then click on shape drop down button, then select the oval icon. Now create a proportional circle. Then change the fill color to blue and change the outline to white. Now we will duplicate this circle shape again. So press Ctrl and hold and move it to the another side. Okay. Now we will reduce the circle size and change the shape outline white to 3 point. Now we will group these two shapes. So select these two shapes by press shift from the keyboard, then click on the mouse right button, then click on group. Now we'll duplicate this, press Ctrl and hold and move this to the right side and change the rotation to flip horizontal. Okay, perfect. Now we will insert a text box. So go to insert, then text box, then simple text box, and change the shape outline to no outline and shape fill to no fill, and click on the right side of the mouse, then click on format shape, then click on text option, then click on simple text box icon, then reduce the left margin, right margin, top margin and bottom margin to 0 millimeter. Okay, now I will rename this text to date and change the font to Lucida Sans. The font size will be 14 point and the line orientation will be center, and change the layout option to in front of text. Okay, now I will duplicate this text box again. So press Ctrl and move it to the bottom side, and change the text to name of institution. and change the font size to 26 point. Okay, now we will duplicate this text box again. And change it to certificate. And change the font to Blender script, and font size will be 65. Change the font size to 18 point. Okay, I will duplicate this text box again and change it to and the new font size will be Sacramento 60. Okay, perfect. Now we will insert a line. So go to insert menu, then shape, then click on the line icon. And change the shape outline color to black, and dashes will be this and arrows will be this. Okay, perfect. Now we will duplicate this text box again and place a sample text. And change the font size to 13 point. And now we will duplicate this text box again and change the font size to 36. And we will duplicate this text box again, and it will be the new font size will be 16 point. And we will duplicate this lines again, reduce the size, also duplicate this and change the font size to 10. Okay, we have just completed the certificate template. So hope you have enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you all of you guys. Have a good day.